All right, everyone. Let's come back. Next case is a little bit different and it's a little bit complicated. We are going to check the chi-square test of independence. Again, if you cannot understand the definition of independence, I use a very plain English to explain it. Are they the same? Only one sentence. Are they the same? Or you can say, are they identical? Identical. And you can say, oh, wow, the dice is a weird die, or the die is a fair die. That is okay. But do you have any evidence, scientific evidence? Yes, we just ran the scientific calculation and we know that is a fair die. Or you can say that is cheating. That is cheating. And now, the similar formula, but I prefer to use the case here. Later, I will play this video because that is easier to understand and better than the textbook. And let me explain that. And in a certain campus, there are elementary school students and high school students. And in the cafeteria, there are three choices. The first one is chicken. Second one is beef. Third one is vegetarian. And three groups of students. They are graded year of 7, 10, 13, three age groups. And they want to know whether the age affected the choice of the meals. Or in other words, can we find the differences between them? For example, for the year of 7 years old, the students here, there's 17 of them, they choose chicken, the meal, 15 for beef, and 8 for vegetarian. So far, can you think 18, 15, 8, is it a difference? We cannot say that, but with limited number of samples, we know, okay, chicken is most popular. The next, the year of 10, chicken 12, beef 9, vegetarian 13. Whoa, here for the year of 10, vegetarian is the top one. Okay, and the total number of the students at the age of 10, that is 34. And the third one, the year of 13, 11 of them, they choose chicken, 4 of them choose beef, and 21 of them choose vegetarian. Wow, what's that? I don't know. Do you mean the larger the age, they prefer to the vegetarian meals because they think that it may be healthier? I don't know. But now we need a tool to tell your audience, to tell your boss, to tell your client. After we check the independence, we can say they are different or they are the same. According to their age, they may have different decisions on their lunch. We can say that. Or you can, after we conduct the chi-square test, we know no significant difference. Okay, now I'm going to tell you how to run this part. And this part, again, I will tell you how to use Google Office. That is a little bit complicated, but in the end of this class, I will tell you how to click paste very fast. Another website, very useful. But this moment, please listen to me. We calculate it cell by cell. Okay, then. Okay, I'm going to play the video from this one. You can do that simultaneously. You can go to my website and go to the syllabus, week 15, and the example is from here. Okay, and the video is about how to run the chi-square test. This kind of independence test is a little bit different. Let me have the voice. Okay. Please turn on your. Sorry, a little bit. Please turn on your Excel. Then type a number here. Can you read? Okay. Let me. Okay, let me switch back to my. Have Excel. Then you can type chicken, beef, vegetarian. Then you just need to type 9 numbers: 17, 18, 8, 12, 9, 13, 11, 4, and 21. That is enough. That is enough. That means different age, they choose different lunch. 3 kinds of lunch: chicken, beef, vegetarian. And totally 11 from year of 7 choose the chicken. 12 for the year of 10 choose chicken. 11 choose chicken because they are age of 13. And the total number of year of 13, 11 for 21. The total number is 36 students. Please type this part: year 7, 10, 13, chicken, beef, vegetarian, and those 9 numbers is enough. Okay, please do it. Excuse me. Like this, the same file. Get it? Then you can have a sum, type of the sum, SUN here. Excuse me. Is that okay? And now, it's a little bit different to calculate expected value, because that's the case. Let's just class. I have an example. That's throwing a die, and we can easily know that if there is a fair die, the expectation number should be equal. But here is a little bit different, and you can type. Okay, if I copy and paste here, you can use the function. You don't need to calculate by your hand. You don't need to do that. For example, if I want to know the sum of this one, this horizontal direction, it means the total student number at year of 7. 17 plus 15 plus 8, that's 14 students at the age of 7. The same, 34, it means the sum of students in year of 10, that's here. And from this column, the sum 40, it means totally 40 students choose the chicken as their lunch. And 11 from year 7, 12 from year 10, and 11 from year of 13. And now the total number is 110. Is 110. Okay, now here is observed. Observed. Okay, and now we are going to calculate. This step is different from the throwing a dice. Expected. Okay, now let me have here. Click here. The step is a little different. Click here and click equal. That is the 40 times another 40 and divided by 110. By 110. Click. Okay, and the digit is too many. You can downsize it. Where's the function? Okay. Oh, okay. Later I will solve this problem because maybe one digit of the decimal is enough. Again, the number, click here, the expected number of year 7 to choose chicken. That is 40 times 40 divided by 110. Okay, 40 times 40 divided by 110. The cell here. Okay, let me move here. Beef. What's the expected value of the beef? That is 28 times this 140. This year, because of the year of 7, that is times 28 times 40 divided by 110. Click equal 28 times, because this vertical, horizontal, the direction here, that is 40 and divided by 110. Click. The same here, vegetarian, that is 42 times 40 divided by 110 equal 42 times 40 slash divided by 110. Click. Sure, you can do that for 9 times. And later the video will tell you how to do that easily. And for the year of 10, click equal. That is a chicken 40. Year of 10 times 34 and divided by 110 and enter.
me show you how we do stuff.
Excuse me. That is 28 times 34 slash 110. Okay, and you can do it 9 times. Next week, I will tell you how to click how to use your mouse to click it and change the parameter very quickly. And here, equal 42 times the year of 10. That should be 34 people, and divided by 110. Okay. Excuse me. Oh, okay, right here. You can click this symbol to decrease the decimal places. And I think 1 decimal after the dot is enough. 1 decimal is enough. Okay, finish this part. Okay, and next, let's move back to the, okay, let me remind you, if I select, how can we get 8.7? 8.7 from the vertical direction is beef. 87 here, from the vertical direction, that is beef. From the horizontal direction, that is the year of 10. So when we calculate this, 28, it means the beef, and the year of 10, the total number is 34. 28 times 34 divided by 110, that is 8.7. The same. Okay, then for example, the here 15.3. How can we get this number? Because the direction of vertical direction, that is 42, and this direction, the horizontal direction, that is the year of 7, the student number, that is 40. 42 times 40 divided by 110 will be here. Again, it's a little complicated, but I think you follow my steps, you can learn it. Okay, let's move to the next step. Okay, and if I mark a copy and paste here, oh, sorry. If copy and paste, remember, copy, paste, you can hold Control, Shift, then then V, Control, paste without any format. Because inside here, it's not a 13.1, it's the formula here, it's the function here. So when you copy and paste it here, it'll be okay. And now we are going to do one thing. We remove everything here. Here we want to know the expected value minus observation minus expectation. Take the value of square, then divided by E. How can we do? Cut. How about here? I think here is. Sorry, let me rearrange the. Maureen, please. What's your question? How much a number? Do you mean the decimals? Yeah. Only one is enough. It's okay. Maybe two is also okay. Yep. Maybe one is okay. So what's your question? Sorry, I didn't catch it. And now we are going to calculate the observation minus expectation. Take the square value, then divided by expectation. Click here. Excuse me. Here we know where is the observation. Click equal. Observation is here 17. Where is expectation? Minus 14.5. I temporarily stop here. Then next I will take a square of it. Again, we are going to calculate the value of O minus E. Take the square value divided by E. And here O is 17 minus E minus 14.5. You don't need to type the 14.5. You don't need to type. You just click the cell and the function will calculate automatically. Get it? Then have a parenthesis in the back, in the front, and exponent 2, then slash means division by expectation. Okay, I need to stop here and you can check the formula. O is here. E is here. Square root have a parenthesis. Head, shift, press shift and type the number of the key number is 6. Then you will get this exponent, the symbol, and type 2 slash divided by E. E is it? E is expectation because we get the expected value here. Observation is here. You see? And divided by E. We are done. Then click enter. Okay, we got 0.4. Then this time we can use, we tried it. So far, any question? What? The number? Okay, and see the number here? Okay, okay. Let me move it back. Yeah. You can discuss with the classmates because that's good. That's good. Okay, then I have final sum here. Either one is okay because 6.2 plus 0 plus 7.1, that should be equal to 0.8 plus 5.2 plus 7.3. I can choose one. Here I can have equal sum, but the range is different. The range is here. Okay, the answer should be 13.3, the final sum. Okay, then we set the significant label is 5%, and degree of freedom let's check the formula. Degree of freedom, that is the number of rows minus 1 times number of columns minus 1. Okay, so we have 3 rows, different ages. We have 3 columns. We will have beef, chicken, and vegetarian. So the number 3 minus 1 times 3 minus 1, that would be 2 times 2, that would be 4. Okay. Degree of freedom, that is 3 rows minus 1 times 3 columns minus 1. That is 2 times 2. Then that will be 4. Excuse me. Okay, now we can check. The sum is 13.3. The degree of freedom is 4. Let's check the table. Oh, where is it? Okay, now we set the significant label at 5% is here, and the number of degree is 4. So we get the S chi-square value 9.488. Let me stop here for 10 seconds. Question, what can I do for you? The chi-square value is 9.488. So we get this. And my final question is, since our sum, our final sum, 13.3 is larger than 9.488, it means, yes, they are different. According to their age, they choose different meal as their lunch. Done. Okay, 2 minutes, then I will tell you a powerful tool. But again, in the final exam, I will ask you to do the whole process because it's not hard. And as long as you learn the whole process in the future, you can check whether the computer gives you a miscalculation. Okay, 1 minute. Excuse me. Questions, please let me know. Yeah, what can I do for you? Okay, this one is the observation. Okay. What's it? Click enter and times arrow. Sorry, let me check it. Let me use the mouse. Okay, and let me check it. Here equals 40. Click here times. It should be 40. Okay. Sorry. Let me. It should be 40. Okay, let me do it again. Here, B, the cell B, 33 times E, 30. Okay, then slash, it means divided by here, and click enter. Okay, and you need to do it for 9 times. But next week I will tell you how to change the function number. Then you just do it once. But this time I will not tell you that. Next week I will give the similar example. Then you can do it just once. You don't need to calculate for 9 times. And theoretically, the number should be close to my number like this. Yeah. You can enter you can check my file. It's open to everyone, and you can check the all value. You can make a copy and on your Google Office or your Microsoft Office is okay. Yeah, okay. Yes, sir. Yeah. This one, okay. Because here, the third table, first table is observation, second one is expectation, and the calculation is a little bit complicated. Now we switch to the final calculation. This cell, the number, the value is O minus E square, then divided by E. Here, O is here. Minus E is here. Expectation is here. 17 minus 14.5 and square root, not square, sorry, square of it divided by this one. E is this cell. Yeah, did the same thing because the same cell is the definition. Check, let me click here. See, when I click here, you can see B35, this cell, minus B41, minus here, and take the value of square, head square, slash E41, and enter. You got a 0.414. Sorry? The beef one, click here. Beef, this location is, what is the observation? Beef year of 7. The observation is beef year of 7. That is 15. So when I click here, you can see C35, that's here. That is observation. Minus C41, beef year of 7, this cell 15 minus 10.2, this cell. Then have a pair of parentheses, then take the square value and divided by this value. It's interesting, isn't it? You see? Oh, okay. Do you have your power supply? Your power code? Yeah. Yep.
Can you please explain the final sum for 5%?
Explain here?
Yeah.
Okay. Generally, it depends on your definition. If you are generally 5% is a common of rule. But if you are very strict, very harsh, you need a especially very hard condition, you can set 1%. Is even 0.1%, it depends on you. But 5%, it means the probability or 95%, we believe we are right. But there could be a mistake. The ratio is 5%. Okay, if you say that 1%, it's okay, but just remember, it's not a rule, but generally 5% is the common value. Then go to the degree of freedom. Degree of freedom, that is 3 rows minus 1 times 3 columns minus 1. Okay, then check the value. X chi-square at 5%, degree of freedom. Check the table, 9.45. Let me check it. We set the square value chi-square at the level at 5%. 5% is 0.05. Then degree of freedom, that is 4. Degree of freedom, that's 4. And check it. Got it? 9.488. Yeah, here is the critical value. And it's a bad news. It's very hard to understand how to make this table. Meanwhile, the good news, we don't need to know how to make the table. We just need to how to check the table, get the value you need. It's here. And besides, if you set the percentage at 1%, that is 0.01. And the value will be 13.2. 13.2. Assume we set because your boss is a very, how can I say it in English? Very harsh and very strict, and ask a lot of things should be correct and lower the error rate. And you can say there is 13.277, and our calculation there is 13.3 also fit the criteria, 1%. Get it? Okay. Okay, let me watch your. Yeah, I also share that. You can check the table here. Next week, I will have different example to review these. You can check it here. No, sorry, here. Here, check the chi-square table from the University of Arizona. Okay, get it? I hope you gentlemen and ladies are okay today. This part, to be honest, this part is the easiest part. And okay, I still have some minutes to finish this course. Okay, let me give you a powerful tool. Please check this website, chi-square calculator. Chi-square calculator. Click it. You can check my syllabus. You can check my syllabus. It looks like this. Okay, let me give you the website on our line group. Line group here. Okay, then okay, I will use this number here. Okay, check it. The category group 1, 2, 3, one more. Okay, then category chicken. Okay, second beef, and plus one more column, that is vegetarian. Okay, now the first number 17, the second 15, vegetarian 8, year of 10, that is 12, that is 9, that is 13, 11, 4, and 21. Okay, please finish this part. You know that next step is click the calculator, the button, the icon, right? I need to say sorry because in the past, when I was a PhD student, I learned biostatistics, and we have no tools like this. We need to calculate hand by hand. Sure, we can use electronic calculator, but the scientific calculator. But now we have advanced online applications and apps on cell phone. So I will teach you both way. Finish it? Yeah, you bet. You know the next step is click, calculate. Then see the numbers are here. Then it tells you the chi-square points is this. The final score is 13.255, close to our calculation, 13.3, right? And the p-value is 0.0003, significant label. Sure, if you set the label at 0.05, that's also okay. Good. Okay, have a rest, then see you next week. Any question, come to my desk and we can discuss. Enjoy this section, ladies and gentlemen. And it's a little complicated, I know, but please spend your time, invest your time to understand the process here. Okay, see you next week.